Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Today's topic is discount and sales tax word problems, and we have 6 examples for you. Remember, we believe math is better with your dog, so call your pups. Let's get started. Problem number 1 is a discount problem. It says a dog kennel costs $114.79 at the pet store. During a one-day sale, the kennel is marked 15% off. What is the discounted price? So this is a two-step process. First, I'm going to find 15% of the $114.79. And I'm going to do that by multiplying, since of indicates multiplication. So I'm going to write 15% as a decimal, 0.15. We just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, times 114.79. If you punch that in a calculator, you find out that the discount will be $17.22. And now I'm going to take the $114.79 that was the original price of the kennel and subtract out the $17.22 that would be the discount. And if I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the discounted price is $97.57. Now there's a second way to do this problem to get right to the answer. If the full price is 100% and I'm taking off 15%, that leaves me with 85% of the price. So I could multiply 0.85, which is the decimal form of 85%, times the original price of $114.79. And I would get straight to the answer of $97.57. Problem number 2 is also a discount problem. It says Cypress weaves custom leashes to sell online. She charges $17 for each leash. As a bonus to loyal customers, Cypress offers a one-time discount of 35%. What is the discounted price for a leash? So again, it's a two-step process. I'm going to find 35% of the price, which is $17. So we're going to multiply the decimal form of 35%, which is 0.35, of means multiply, times the $17. So that will find out my savings. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the discount on the $17 will be $5.95. And the second part, now I'm going to take the $17 that was the original price, and I'm going to subtract out the amount of the discount, which is $5.95. If I punch that into a calculator, I will find out that the discounted price is $11.05. Again, I can use one step and run straight to the answer by saying 100% of the price, and I'm taking off 35% of the price, which would be 65% of the original price. So 0.65 times the $17 will get me directly to the $11.05, which is the discounted price of the leash. Problem number 3 is a sales tax question. It says a box of a dozen specialty dog treats sells for $9.50 at the doggy bakery. There is a sales tax rate of 6.5%. What is the final cost for a box of a dozen treats after taxes? So I need to find out how much money will be added in taxes. So I need to find 6.5% of the original price, which is $9.50. So I'm going to write 6.5% as a decimal, which means I will move it back 2 places and get 0.065 of means multiply times the $9.50 that was the original price. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the tax will be 62 cents. And so now I'm going to add that to the original price. $9.50 was the original price, plus the 62 cents in sales tax. And if I punch those into a calculator, I find out that the price will be $10.12. Again, like we did with the discount, we can say we have 100% of the price at $9.50, plus the 6.5%, which is the sales tax, which will give me 106.5% of the price. So I could multiply 1.065 directly to the $9.50 that the dozen of treats cost, and I will find my answer $10.12 in one step. Problem number 4 is also a sales tax question. It says Cypress charges $27.75 for a 1-hour dog training session. There is a sales tax rate of 4%. What is the cost after taxes for a 1-hour session? So again, first I'm going to have to find out how much money is charged in taxes, which means I need to find 4% of the price of the session, which is $27.75. So I'm going to write 4% as a decimal, which would be 0.04. Of means I'm multiplying by $27.75. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the amount of money paid in tax is going to be $1.11. Now I need to add that to the original price, $27.75, plus the $1.11 in tax. If I punch that into a calculator, I find out that the final price will be $28.86. Once again, I could do this in one step. If I believe that $27.75 is 100% of the price, and I'm adding a 4% tax rate, I need 104% of the price, which would be 1.04 times $27.75, and in one step I can get directly to my answer of $28.86. Problem number 5 deals with discount and sales tax in one problem. It says Cypress gets a takeout dinner for her doggy friends at a local restaurant. The dinner costs $34, but Cypress has a 20% off coupon. The city charges a 7% sales tax on all takeout orders. What is the final price Cypress will pay for the dinner? So I'm going to use 3 steps to answer this question. First, I'm going to find the discount, then I'm going to find the tax, and then I'm going to put it all together and find the final price. So the discount will be 20% of the $34 that the meal costs to take out. So I'm going to write 20% as a decimal, which would be 0.20 times the $34 that was the original price, and find out that there's a discount of $6.80. So if I subtract that from the $34, because I'm saving $6.80, I would find out that the dinner costs $27.20. But now I have a 7% tax on that. So I'm going to find 7% of the $27.20. I'm going to write 7% as a decimal, which would be 0.07 times the $27.20 that the discounted meal cost, and I would find out that I would have to pay $1.90 in taxes. So to find the final overall price, all I have to do is add the $27.20, which was the discounted price after the coupon, plus the $1.90 in sales tax. If I punch that into a calculator, Cypress would have to pay $29.10 for her dinner. Problem number 6 also has both discount and sales tax in the same problem. It says a run-through tunnel for dog agility training costs $54.29 online. The website is offering a 20% discount for first-time buyers. There is a 3% sales tax locally. What is the final price for the run-through tunnel? So like we did in the last problem, I'm going to break this into 3 steps. I'm going to find the discount, then I'm going to add the tax, and then I'm going to find the final overall price. So for the discount, I need to find 20% of the original price, which is $54.29. So I'm going to write 20% as a decimal, 0.20, of means multiply, times 54.29. And if I punch that in a calculator, I find out that the discount is $10.86. And so now I'm going to subtract that from the $54.29, since that's the amount of money that we're saving. $54.29 minus $10.86 is $43.43. So now I have to find the tax, which would be 3% of the $43.43 after the discount. Again, I'm going to write 3% as a decimal, 0.03 times $43.43, and if I punch that in a calculator, I find out that the amount paid in tax will be $1.30. So to find my final price, I will take the discounted price of $43.43 and add the sales tax amount, which is $1.30. If I add those two together on a calculator, I would find that Cypress would pay $44.73 for the dog agility tunnel run-through. So that's it. 6 examples of discount and sales tax word problems. Keep working hard. Don't ever give up or think that you can't do this. Just put in the time and effort and practice, and you can definitely be successful. Remember, as we say at Math Dogs, you got this.